Hey guys, all you vintage electronics people. I just got this in a couple days ago. A buddy of mine was cleaning out a house that somebody was getting ready to put up for sale, and then this was all in the basement, and they started to throw it in the big dumpster, and he thought I might want it, and he brought it over here, and so yeah, thanks. Quite a little vintage load of electronics here. Looks like mostly radios and stuff. There's Magnavox console stereo speakers. There's two of them. There's the tweeter horns. Those are always nice to have. And then we got, looks like a stereo parts out of a console stereo. Oh yeah, that's Pacard Bell. Yeah, that looks Pacard Bell. Yep, it is. That's a Pacard Bell there. We got some transistor radios. That one doesn't have a back on it. There's batteries in it. Does it work? Does it already work? I didn't mess with any of this stuff. I just brought it out to the shop and dropped it off. No, they're dead, of course, but oh well. Anyway, more videos will come on this stuff. That's just kind of what I went through. There's a General Electric AM/FM table radio. What's this here? Oh, that's nice. An AM General Electric transistor radio. Oh, that's, you know what? That's kind of the models. Well, no, they're different models, but yeah, that back, same kind of back almost would take that. I recognize this back. This one's in good shape. It's one-handed here. I don't know. Wait, let me pause this and I'll open it up real quick. All right, got it popped loose there. Oh, yeah. I wish cameras would focus better. It is cold out here. It's supposed to snow overnight and then tomorrow. That's just lovely. Let's see. Come on, camera. Pretty similar. This was just AM. That one's AM/FM. This one's just AM. Not bad. I'll snap that back together here in a minute. There's another little radio back here that came with it, along with all this other junk on this bench. Little pocket AM transistor radio. Oh, hey, wait a minute. Oh, that's got batteries in it, evidently. Well, obviously it's either going to need work, capacitor's probably squealing like that, or an alignment, or it's because my phone's too close to it. Batteries are also probably a little weak, but okay, interesting. I wonder if we could pop it. Oh yeah, it popped apart. Pretty basic radio. For AM pocket transistor radio, it's pretty basic. They're all about the same. This one runs on 2 AA batteries, though, instead of a 9-volt, but okay, we'll check that out. And then, what do we have here? Multiband. Midland radio. Let's check it real quick here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah, it's pretty standard, too. Oh, it's missing a battery pack. That does not take a 9-volt, though. That's probably takes 4 C's or 4... Oh, it tells you right there. 2 times 4. UM2. Those are D's, I believe. So, yeah, that's good old epoxy dome silicone transistors there. We'll have to test these radios out another day. It's just cold out here in the shop. It's in the 20s out here right now. So, what do we have here? Juliet. AM/FM. Yep, that's what I thought that was. An 8-track player. The door's missing off of it. Well, that's cool. We'll have to try that out one day. Oh, the plug's broke. Well, we'll have to check that out. Interesting. And then what do we have here? Another multi-band radio. What brand is this? I don't know. JEC, never heard of it, but probably made by some other company that makes multiple radios for companies. And of course, the Pacard Bell console, stereo chassis. Looks pretty good. I mean, of course, looks can be deceiving. Probably needs capacitors and may or may not. It might work. Looks pretty standard Pacard Bell. Yeah, not bad. There's the amp to it. Let me move this off the bench. There's the power amp. There's your power supply and your audio outputs. And it doesn't look like it's really ever been worked on that I can tell. That doesn't mean anything either, but... And then here, well, we got a lot of stuff here, guys. This is going to be a long video. I don't want it to be that long, but that's cool. Now that's going to be interesting. What is this? This is a General Electric, probably made by Toshiba or Sanyo, AM/FM stereo boombox. Interesting. Nice. We'll definitely have to get that working. The radio probably works, but the tape players usually don't because of belts. And then, of course, the speaker horns. And then we have this, looks like a table stereo Magnavox. It's upside down. Well, I think, no, it's all apart. The chassis is upside down. Someone slid it back in its case upside down. This is the top. That's where the turntable would go. And these electronics would not be up this high. They'd be probably upside down because the turntable goes here. So, yeah, it's apart. But, well, okay. Looks like, yeah, that's not the American-made version. The 8-track player, I already can see there's no belt on it. See that? That's the 8-track. It's got an 8-track in it. You can get to it there. The belt's gone. Okay, well, interesting, guys. We'll do videos on all this stuff another day. So, all right, well, there you go, Vintage Electronics people. Thanks for watching.